Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to change your iPhone contact picture. Changing your contact picture on iPhone lets other people see a personalized image when you call or message them. You can use a photo, emoji, or custom graphic as your contact photo through your personal contact card. Follow these steps to change your iPhone contact picture. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Contacts app. Tap My Card at the top of the contacts list. Then tap Edit. Tap Edit again. Then choose Photos, Emoji, or another available option. Select or create the image you want to use. Then tap Customize. Tap this option. Here, adjust the photo by moving and resizing it as needed. Tap the check button to save. Tap Choose or Done after positioning the image. Review the preview of your new contact picture. Tap Done or Check button to save the changes. Verify that the new picture appears on your contact card. Take note, your updated contact picture can be shared with other iPhone users when you call or message them, depending on your sharing settings. You can change the picture again at any time by editing your contact card. Using a clear and recognizable image can make it easier for friends and family to identify your calls and messages. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.